So I decided, well, that's
luck.
I don't even know why he started the last one. I just said, well,
Just pull the trigger.
I just said, oh.
Oh my God,
Hey, Dad, you might need to scoot up a little bit.
Yeah, you might want to scoot up just a little bit. We're getting. Whenever you're ready, say full.
Misfire.
That's scary.
We're gonna have fun going and searching these out.
I'm too short.
So is he.
Maverick.
This is so fun.
Jack it back. Roll it sideways.
I can't talk and not hear myself. I'm getting tired of it.
It's not loud.
I know.
Yeah.
Only when you're shooting.
Oh, yeah.
Did he get it?
No.
But
Button throw
the
doubles.
other, this guy, the other one you'll have to have.
Really?
I've done it before, but I don't know how good it is. Well, I wanted it to be
Hey!
good job.
He's surprised. He don't know why he did it. He don't know why he did it.
I know.
I don't know. He don't know how.
I didn't either. I just was pointing the gun.
Oh,
Whoa!
wow.
Right, Miles, he's Asian.
I told you, he's Asian. They're good at everything.
He's former Yakuza.
Yeah, Yakuza.
That one started dropping already. Yeah, you got to end on a good one.
That's what I do. That's it.
Yep.
Good luck.
Yep.
One and done.